Hi, welcome to another of the free lessons in Jamaican Patwah. Remember to get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com. Subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and like it. Have yourself a wonderful day. Hi, welcome to another lesson in Jamaican Patwah. Today I'm going to introduce you to some of my favorite proverbs. As you know, Proverbs is just a fancy English name for words of wisdom that have been passed down to us by our experienced and much wiser ancestors. Okay, here goes. Chicken Mary Hark Denier, or fire their mus tail in think a cool breeze. Both these mean the same thing. Chicken Mary Hark Denier, fire their mus tail in think a cool breeze. It means that we sometimes ignore the danger signals. The danger is right over our heads, and we ignore the signals and get ourselves in problem. You know, Jamaica is a country that frequently has hurricanes and storms. And you will sometimes hear the weather reporters telling us that there's a hurricane on the way. Yet you see people at the bar enjoying themselves, having a grand time. Chicken Mary Hark they near, or fire their mus tail in think a cool breeze. Another one says, "A no true cow no ha no tongue, making no chat." Or "A no true cow no ha no tongue, no making chat." In other words, silence is golden. You do not have to comment on everything simply because you have a tongue. Okay? Bird fly too fast, impassiveness. I can see a lot of older people telling this to their younger generation. Slow down. You don't have to hurry and do things, just take it easy. As the British may say, haste makes waste. Bad luck worse than obia. Now, obia is what you call black magic, voodoo, and the story is that someone may put a curse on you to cause you to have problems. Or as Bob Marley would say, you draw a bad card. But the fact of the matter is you may be just going through a bad patch. So I don't believe in curses or obia. So, when they say bad luck was that obia, it's just that you're going through a bad patch in life, and it's worse than if someone had put a curse on you. You draw a bad card. Okay, now next one. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. This also means proceed with care. Don't just live your life carelessly, because you can wreck yourself. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. A famous one, cockroach no business in a foul fight. Now you know that a roach is a prey of a chicken. So you should not put yourself in a position where those can harm you. Do that to you. Keep out of powerful people's business. Cockroach no business in a foul business. Other one, dog and money in buy flea. Now, can you imagine a dog buying fleas? Other people say, dog and money in buy cheese. But what it means is a fool and his money are soon parted, because when you see some people with money, they just waste it on nonsense. Dog and money in buy flea. Or dog and money in buy cheese. When a dog eats cheese, it gets all over his mouth and he doesn't enjoy it. Another one, we use dogs a lot as examples of how to live our life. Dog had too much yard, sleep a road. The British may say, a rolling stone gathers no moss. In other words, settle down. Just don't spend your life rolling from one situation to the other. Have a plan. Dog had too much yard. Sleep a road. Now you must have heard Bob Marley sing, sorry fi magadag turn wrong bite you. In other words, you may feel pity for people and assist them, but those are the very people who will turn round and do evil things to you. So neither Bob or ancestors were saying that you must not help those in need, but don't expect just because you help somebody that they'll be loyal to you. Okay? Sorry fi magadag turn wrong bite you. And the last one we'll talk about today, where you don't know, no make your heart leap. In other words, ignorance is sometimes bliss, because it's not everything that you know or want to know about that will make your life better. There are some things that you find out that cause stress in your life, okay? So this one is just saying ignorance is bliss. You don't have to know everything. All right, that was an introduction to my favorite proverbs. Remember to get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com. Subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and have a wonderful day.